What is up, everyone? So last video we dyno tuned the LS1 again, but with the new intake, and it picked up a bunch of power, and we didn't get to drive it because it was raining out, and now it's dry out and we can finally test drive it, and I'm really excited. I'm really hoping that it kind of wakes it up a little bit because it wasn't feeling super fast before, and well, I don't know. But today is a big day because today is the day before a weekend drift event, and Brian will be drifting his E46 for the very first time. Big old V8 horsepower with the awesome grip and handling of an E46 chassis. I can't think of a better combo. So I am very excited. I should be driving the coupe to be able to catch up with him, but we'll talk about that later on. But I'm gonna drive the E30. She's ready to go. There's probably a couple things I should do to her, but she'll be good. One thing I do have to do though is, well, I'll take the wheel off and you guys will see. Check that out. Love that. The rumble strips at Lock City are pretty serious, and if you drop your wheel, they'll get you good. Johnny! No, this isn't my Supra. I wish it was. What you up to?
Just doing some piping things.
You know, Johnny Pipes at it again.
Yes, sir.
I broke something.
Ooh, it's a good one.
Yeah. Think you can handle it? Huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I get it fixed up. It won't be too bad.
Johnny, I always love your array of cars here. Pure American muscle to some imports over here. Yeah. The white Supra on the Conse's, little turbo conversion. Love it. The slick top, buddy.
Very jealous of that.
Very jealous. Super cool car. Tips and tricks?
So what I do when I fix a wheel is before you start grinding it, you want to drill the end of the crack so the crack never continues to grow after welding it.
I'm gonna leave Johnny too. I'll stop bugging him. Huge shout out to him for getting that done for me today. But there's one thing we are doing today that's probably the last thing I need to do on a drift prep day, but I'm very excited for it.
Woo! Here comes Big Bertha. All right, now that 60% of the volume of the shop has been taken up.
It beeps with the keys are in it.
That's
Still not used to it. Oh my God, it looks even bigger inside. All right, so as you guys know, I got a solid Boomer Spec 2500 with a bunch of chrome on it. And well, we got to do a little chrome deletes. My buddy Devin's here. He used to wrap cars for a living, and so I knew he was the guy to call. He also helped wrap the mini trucks with delivery. And so today he's gonna get me right, and we're gonna do the bumpers black, and he's gonna see if we could do this too. If not, you could get this brand new and black.
Can we rip this off?
No, there's 2 rivets to drill out.
I know, just rip it off.
Do it, fine, I trust you.
Nah.
Here we go, first mod. A 1, a 2. You wanna do the honors? Come on, bro. Do the honors. There you go. Look at that. First mod.
I'm glad that they didn't drill holes in the freaking bumper.
Yeah, it's cool.
You know what I mean? It's just underneath.
That honestly cleaned it up so much.
Yeah,
so
it
much.
looks way
It's the
better
little stuff.
already.
What do you guys think? Ready? I guess we'll ask once it's already black, but these in red, I'm thinking, right? Got the little red here. Huh?
I like it. Through bolts probably through the front.
Should we do this right now?
It pays 0.1 at GM.
Why are you modifying this at all?
Well, these are just like
Right, Tom, we have to do drift prep.
This is nice.
Aesthetic.
Drift prep.
This is drift. Pulling up to the track.
Exactly.
The truck looking good is half the battle. All right, Dev, so what do you think?
Won't be too bad.
Well, we're pretty lucky here because the truck is straight black. There's no metallic in it. So with the straight black 3M, right?
Yep.
They should match pretty good.
Only the best for Jim.
From the center out?
Yep. It's usually how you work because it's all air release technology. So you don't want to get yourself trapped in a situation where you'll have a big bubble here and you have this and this, all this squeegeed. You don't want all the air behind the vinyl. And then it comes out nice and perfect.
you do?
Sam just informed me.
Truck guy.
Oh man.
So
No way.
What a big truck guy.
Big truck guy.
Do you drive like that at all times, or
Oh,
just it's acceptable with a trailer?
No. I have to. Ghost trailer mod.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that, dude. That's
amazing.
it's the little things, man.
A little dusty.
A little dusty. It's an understatement.
Your quarterly year wash with this thing?
Yeah. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's sad because this thing actually has like beautiful paint. You see the metallic in this?
Yeah.
Look at it. It's beautiful.
It's got the same paint as my Beetle.
Don't be saying that.
Don't disrespect it.
Can I look at it now?
Nope. Oh man, that looks great.
Oh my god, that's so good. Ooh, the chrome stand. The chrome grill is the perfect like accent breakup. Oh my god, that is so heavy. Oh, it is so good. Devin, you killed it, buddy.
Oh my god, it's so much better.
Hey, it's a whole new truck. It's the little things, you know? It's the little things. I love the chrome. The small chrome looks good. Wow.
That's way harder.
Way better. All right, so we're gonna leave Devin to this one, but let's get a good before this time. And we're gonna do the good old-fashioned YouTube magic. And boom. Oh, that looks so good. Completely changes the whole truck. It's crazy.
It looks like not L's. What is it?
LT.
LT spec.
It doesn't look so work truck. As you can tell, I took off the LT badge, yes. I don't know if it's a sus move, but they'll never know now.
It's a good move.
It's a good move, right? This is the practical package, all right? Oh, look at that.
Don's hitting 3 vapes at once.
DJ, what are you doing? All right, now we can get a full look at it. All right, I know this whole video has just been me going like, oh my God, it looks so good. But honestly, guys, this is amazing. So all we gotta do now is put some cool wheels on this thing, put a bag kit in it, and get a gooseneck trailer and do my thing. But man, does that look good. I told you I was gonna do it, and I'm happy we got it done pretty quickly. Devin, you're the man. Thank you so much for getting this done. This looks too good. And it looks like Johnny finished up the wheel. Let's check this thing out. Hell yeah. Live to drift another day.
What crack?
What crack indeed. So let's get this mounted up, get the E30 back together, and just cross my fingers that we're good to drift. All right, well now it's time to go see how this thing feels.
Let's take her out.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. So it's making almost 40 more horsepower almost everywhere. It should be pretty noticeable.
Which is huge.
Insane.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna feel a difference. You might drive it a lot more now.
Oh! I didn't even mean for it to whip out.
No way.
I swear to God, I was like, let me get on it, and at like 3 grand, it just kicked sideways. That's so funny.
So James gonna take me for a little ride in it.
The only issue that we noticed on the dyno is my intake air temps were getting pretty high, which makes sense, right? Because my intake's literally sitting behind my radiator. When your intake air temps get really high, your car will start to pull timing, which will then pull a decent amount of power. So if we do a pull, my intake air temps are high, and we're down 3 degrees, then it's not gonna feel much faster. So hopefully they're not too high. Okay, so it doesn't blow the tires off, but the car does have pretty decently long gearing, So it's a nice, like really stable pull, and I'll tell you what, I can definitely feel it.
It chugs consistently through the whole gear.
Oh yeah, she just goes, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's such like it's like the perfect street car power bands.
Oh yeah.
It hauls ass, but it just goes straight.
We have some complaints about the tune.
This is too funny. This is a Donny sized chopper.
Yeah, that's when I said to Drew, I was like, this is what it feels like for normal people to fit on Harley.
That's what I look like on a
They
sports.
shifted back into neutral, they're all down.
That's so funny.
I know, that is what you look like on a sports car. Look at him swinging.
Look at him.
Is that how they do it?
You look like Grant on that
I'll keep
thing.
it running. Let's get this idle dialed in for
This
Derek.
thing. Yeah, miniature Grant.
You look just like Grant on that
Coming
thing.
for your neck, Grant.
Big chopper guy.
Got you.
I think this is how much power I always expected it to make. That's why I'm not like blown away.
Okay, because this is what you've been wanting for.
Exactly.
Okay.
That being said, I think you're gonna blow my doors off, but we still gotta run them.
We still gotta run it because you said it, so we
still
gotta
run
do it.
All right.
Go warm my
LS1 300ZX versus a LS3 CTSV. You're gonna blow my
I got
doors
weight
off.
on you. What's this thing weigh? You know how much it weighs with you in it and without you in it. With a tank of gas, empty, full.
Yeah. Let's show them what you're working with.
Stock.
Donnys LS3, big old cam. This thing made what was it, 480?
76, something like that.
Yeah, 480 horsepower.
It's stock.
But it still made 400. I don't care what. It still made 400.
Stock airbox, stock coil, stock.
But it still made 480 horsepower.
But it is stock, yeah.
Oh, whatever that means. All right, time to run them back.
Do you know a spot?
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, we know a spot.
Off to Mexico.
To Mexico.
How much does this thing weigh?
4,500 pounds?
It weighs that much?
I believe so.
Oh man, maybe there's a chance.
Slight chance or big?
Well, we'll find out. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I hope by some miracle I fuck them up so I have some bragging rights.
It is.
Oh! I'm so happy you caught that.
Put the car in gear. It's like my biggest.
That dude right there.
It's my ants, dumbass.
That dude right there behind you.
I fucking hate.
I love that. I loved everything about that. Thank God he didn't hit anything. Donnie, I'm coming for you. We should have put some money on it. Let me call him up right now. You want to put money on it?
Yeah, how much?
$100.
Okay.
All right.
Y'all heard it here.
Y'all heard it.
I gotta look at the trunk.
He says he's got to look in the trunk. Donnie's looking real confident right now.
Him and RJ.
Hell yeah. Windows are going up because we need all the aerodynamics that we can get. You ready? Wait. Did you hear him beep?
No
No beep. Ready? He got the jump. Yes! Yes! Oh! Yeah, we got him! Hazards on. Smoked. Smoked. Smoked him. Look at him. Yeah, he wants to run it back. Give me that $100, Donnie. That's right. Look at him. Yeah. You want to see DJ's perspective of the race? Make sure you go check out his channel. Link in description. DJ No Way. DJ's supposed to beep because he's the only one with
We
a
don't
horn.
have a horn.
And no, he goes the, okay, go.
Yeah, go on his fucking
Go on his
side.
All right, ready? I don't know what he's doing. There we go. We got him again, boys. We got him again. It's a really close close race though.
It is.
It's a really close race. But we got him. That's all that matters. Donnie, pay up, sucker. It's the fastest I've ever gone in that car.
I bet it was like,
Dude,
oh,
either way,
man.
I smoked your ass, but that was a good ass race. That was a good race, wasn't it?
In the first one when he went,
Next.
when he came out a second and you were like you were starting to come back up and I was like, oh man, Donnie's gonna put in a third and pull, and Donnie went like this and I watched the third shift miss and I went, in my head I went,
Either way.
oh no.
That was good though, that was close.
This thing is a heavy bitch.
You know what it was?
Heavy.
It was Derek's confidence and that smoking everything that I was like, oh damn.
Oh, so Derek.
So Derek, there we go, Derek. Let's call Derek up and let him know.
How did Donald's magnificent example of an automobile get f***ed up? Burner car.
Hey, you love my Z. You love my Z.
Man.
It was close. Missed third and the AC was on. But
He always misses third, right?
Everyone always misses a gear.
But it was a good race. What?
If you guys didn't know, Derek built the V. That's why.
Derek,
This is disappointing.
no, I'm disappointed in you.
Listen, man, I tune both cars. You can't be disappointed. Yeah, I won. No matter who wins, I win.
No,
Fair
you
enough,
just-
fair
you
enough.
lost.
Yeah,
I lost.
Derek, you're a winner. You're the best. We love
I
you.
win. I tune both. You lose.
LS.
What
LS.
up, Riders?
Derek, pop that hood for me.
Where is that hood? There we go.
It's been at the top.
There we go. LS with a supercharger.
Dude, your regular ass daily driver, get around town, pick me up. Damn pro charger. You got this thing's plumbed for nitrous?
Oh, it makes 1,000 on nitrous. Exactly. Silly.
Fuck.
So it's the night before a drift event, so it's just grabbing whatever you think you might need and throwing in the truck and crossing your fingers and blah, blah, blah. But the Duramax hooked up with the E30 for the first time, all black on black. It looks so good. I am so excited. I cannot wait to see this in the sun tomorrow. Such a dream come true. I cannot wait to see it with the coupe on it or 3 freaking cars hanging over the thing one day. But it's been a long day, been a fun day, got a lot done. Whooped Donnie's ass. Very happy about that. And besides that, I hope you guys liked today's video, but I need to get home, edit this video, and continue on. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys very shortly.